Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. I feel very proud to welcome our honoured guest, Shaukat Maqbool Butt, son of Shaheed Kashmir, to Rochdale. We have gathered here to remember our great leader, Maqbool Butt Shaheed. Maqbool Butt was born 1938 in Maqbooza, Kashmir. When he grew up, he realized that his motherland is occupied by India and Pakistan, and he also believed that Kashmiris have every right to be independent like everybody else. He struggled throughout his life for the freedom of his motherland. During his struggle, he was wrongly imprisoned in Pakistan and unlawfully hanged in India exactly 1 week before his 46th birthday on 11th of February 1984. His critics tried everything to undermine his struggle, but they failed. Today, Maqbool Butt is known as the father of the movement and Shaheed-e-Kashmir. He was the first Kashmiri to be judicially murdered on Indian soil, making him the first martyr of Kashmiri independence movement. His body is still buried in Tihar jail in Delhi. I will request the British government and human rights champions to help us to bring back Maqbool Butt's remains back to his motherland. Thank you all for listening and Khudafis.